To fix our four-wheel drive situation, we got to put in axle shafts. Let's get to it. I'm just going to go over this step by step with you guys. First step, take off your wheels.
Yeah, don't drop that on your toe.
Yeah. Unless you have health insurance. Yeah, I got 2-inch spacers on my 16 wides. Yeah, I'm asking for wheel bearing problems. If you have manual locking hubs, you gotta take off this plate. I guess it's part of the hub here, where it locks the manual locking. Slide this out here. I thought this was gonna take longer than I thought. Here's the snap ring. I always battle with these. You see that? That's zip ties. And that's been this way for longer than I want to admit. I don't know if people have noticed or not, but it's been like that. So that's why we're doing axle shafts, because we finally got ourselves a drive line and we're actually about to make it four-wheel drive. Next, we got to take off the wheel bearing nuts, because it's on studs, I believe, and then slip this out. And then I believe after that, I think we just pull the shaft out. But there's seals that usually give you a hard time, so we'll see. Had to get Zach to work here. Feel my struggle?
I need 2 people.
Call somebody. We gotta get this home with here. Custom. This is going to be a pretty quick video because I'm just trying to cut it to the chase. I'll just upload like a 2-minute one, but we're pulling the hub out of this side. Oh, that came in one piece, huh? I wonder if the other one's supposed to do that. Anyways. How's the O-ring on that joint? On that John?
Way better than the other side. There's not leftover pieces of it on the hub.
We good.
Straighten this out.
I'm so gonna caption that. I'm gonna try to spell as best as I can. All right, let me explain. It's already put together. I didn't explain. We had a hard time getting that shaft put in. We put like a pry bar there to try to level it out to put it in the axle housing, and it was just a rough time. The inside of the knuckle had some rust in there too, so we're shooting WD-40 in there. So you guys might have to do that, but be sure to center the shaft, stick something underneath here to level it out if there's only one of you or so, and turn it till the teeth go in, and you got to make sure that you have that snap ring seated. Take your time, make sure it's seated. Don't just hear a click and think it's good. You don't want that coming out. And then your wheel bearing, tighten that up. Then your rotor, and then your caliper, and put it all back together. Put the manual hub or whatever type of hub you have, put it back on. Mine's looking pretty shot and ugly, but it's still functional, so it's all right. And then, yeah, we have one more side to do, so let's get back to it. Zach told me to talk to the people at YouTube, so here we go. We got this shaft went in much easier because it's the short one, so that's cool. We finally got this one put in, the other side's buttoned up. Slide in the shaft, put your brake dust shield on if you have it on your wheel bearing. Make sure you get the sensor lined up. We're gonna slip that on and then get the snap ring in, because that sucks. But it's kind of easy to do with 2 people. If you can get someone to open up the snap ring, another person can take a little flathead and punch it, it's pretty cool. Done.